Welcome to Wild South's Wild Wednesday Hike. This week we're continuing our exploration of the Brushy Lake recreation area in the Bankhead National Forest. We are coming down from the Bluff Trail and on to Brushy Creek down below the old Civilian Conservation Corp dam. And we will be discovering what lives in the creek. So let's go find out. Andrew, why are you bringing your kitchen gadgets out here today?
People often wonder why I brought my spaghetti strainer and ice cube tray. It's to assist me in the hunt for macroinvertebrates in the creek. A simple purchase from the thrift store, and you're ready to be a junior naturalist.
All right.
But you just gotta swipe quick.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
There we go. Smallest minute you can get.
Found a little mayfly on the bottom of this rock we've included in our ice cube tray collection. A mayfly is a good indicator species of clean water, and in a minute we'll put it under the loop so you can see the way it breathes underwater. It's right here, you can barely see it.
Yeah, little guy.
And then here, these are our indicator species that are showing us water quality's pretty good here. We've got our mayflies. And same, we've got those of many different ages. And if you look really closely on that loop video, you can see those feathery gills on the back of them, and that's how they breathe. Mayfly, you can tell because they have those three little tails, and those tails make kind of an M shape, and that's how you can remember the mayfly. Pretty good smattering of different things. Almost filled our ice cube tray in about a 15-minute hunt. This first one here is a little helgramite we found underneath a rock. Over here we've got a nice dragonfly nymph, and he was hanging out in some detritus in the creek. Really fun guys. We'll show you a little bit more detail on them in a minute. Got dragonfly nymphs of various ages. This is the dragonfly nymph here. You can see he has a hinged jaw, and that jaw shoots out and grabs his prey and pulls it back into his mouth. See that, how that works? And then when you let it go, he just tucks it back in there.
That was great. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed this Wild Wednesday. See you next time.